Welcome to Linux. Linux is a free and open source operating system. It's the software that runs your computer, much like Windows or macOS. Created by Linus Torvalds in 1991, Linux has come a long way. It's known for its stability, security, and flexibility. Linux is everywhere. It powers everything from servers and smartphones to supercomputers and embedded systems. It's the backbone of the internet and the foundation for many cutting-edge technologies. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about alternatives, this guide will introduce you to the amazing world of Linux. Open source is a philosophy that promotes collaboration and transparency. In software, it means the source code is freely available for anyone to view, modify, and distribute. Linux is a prime example of open source software. This open nature fosters innovation and allows developers worldwide to contribute to Linux's development. It also means you're not locked into a single vendor's ecosystem. You have the freedom to choose from a wide range of distributions, each with its own strengths and features. Open source also promotes security. With many eyes scrutinizing the code, vulnerabilities are quickly identified and patched, making Linux a highly secure operating system. The kernel is the heart of the Linux operating system. It's the core program that manages the system's resources, including memory, hardware, and processes. The Linux kernel is renowned for its efficiency and robustness. It acts as a bridge between your computer's hardware and the software applications you use. The kernel handles tasks like allocating memory, scheduling processes, and managing input-output operations. The modular design of the Linux kernel allows for great flexibility. You can easily add or remove modules to customize your system's functionality according to your needs. The command line interface, or CLI, is a text-based interface for interacting with your computer. While it may seem intimidating at first, the CLI offers unparalleled power and control over your Linux system. Using simple text commands, you can perform a wide range of tasks, from managing files and directories to installing software and configuring system settings. The CLI is especially useful for automation and scripting. Learning basic CLI commands can greatly enhance your Linux experience. Don't worry, there are plenty of resources and tutorials available to help you get started. Section 5. Graphical User Interfaces, Linux Made Easy. While the command line interface is powerful, many users prefer a graphical user interface, or GUI. Linux offers a variety of desktop environments, each with its own unique look and feel. Some popular options include GNOME, KDE, and XFCE. These GUIs provide a user-friendly way to interact with your system. You can use a mouse and keyboard to navigate menus, launch applications, and manage files, just like on other operating systems. Linux distributions often come bundled with a default desktop environment, but you can easily switch to a different one if you prefer. Section 6. Managing Software, a breeze with package managers. Installing and managing software on Linux is a breeze thanks to package managers. These tools automate the process of downloading, installing, and updating software packages. Package managers ensure that dependencies are met and that software is installed correctly. They also make it easy to search for and discover new applications. Each Linux distribution has its own package manager, such as apt for Debian-based systems and yum for Red Hat-based systems. These tools simplify software management, making it a hassle-free experience. Linux boasts a vibrant and supportive community of users and developers. Online forums, mailing lists, and IRC channels provide a wealth of information and assistance. Whether you're a seasoned Linux veteran or a newcomer, you'll find plenty of people willing to help you with any questions or issues you may encounter. This strong community spirit is one of the hallmarks of the Linux world. It fosters collaboration, knowledge sharing, and a passion for open source software. Linux is everywhere. It powers a vast array of devices and systems, from personal computers to web servers, cloud infrastructure, and embedded systems. Its versatility, scalability, and reliability make it a top choice for mission-critical applications. Linux is also widely used in scientific research, financial modeling, and film production. The next time you use a smartphone, browse the web, or stream a movie, there's a good chance Linux is working behind the scenes. There are many reasons to choose Linux. It's a stable, secure, and high-performance operating system. It's also free and open source, giving you greater control over your computing environment. Linux offers a vast selection of software, from productivity tools to creative applications and games. Its customization options are endless, allowing you to tailor your system to your exact needs. Whether you're a developer, a student, or a home user, Linux has something to offer everyone. This is just a glimpse into the world of Linux. There's much more to discover and explore. With its open-source nature, powerful tools, and supportive community, Linux offers a rewarding computing experience. Whether you're looking for an alternative to proprietary operating systems or simply want to learn more about the technology that powers our world, Linux is an excellent choice. Take the leap and embark on your Linux journey. You'll be amazed by what you can achieve with this versatile and powerful operating system.